Understanding the phrase, big-headed. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. One phrase that might have caught your attention in conversations or in reading is big-headed. Have you ever wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place to find out. First, let's break down the phrase. The words big and head are quite straightforward in their literal meaning, referring to size and the top part of the body, respectively. But when they come together as big-headed, the meaning is not so straightforward. Literally, if something has a big head, it simply means the head part is large. For example, some dolls or caricatures might be described as having big heads. Figuratively, however, big-headed is an idiom in English. It means that someone is overly proud, arrogant, or has an exaggerated opinion of their own importance or abilities. Now that we know what it means, how can we use it? Here are some examples to guide you. 1. After winning the chess tournament, he became a bit big-headed and thought he was unbeatable. 2. She's so big-headed since she got promoted. She hardly talks to any of us anymore. 3. It's okay to be proud of your achievements, but don't become big-headed. If you want to convey the same idea but with different words, there are several synonyms you can use. Some of these include arrogant, conceited, vain, self-centered, egotistical. Using synonyms can add variety to your conversations and writings. And there you have it. Big-headed is a delightful idiom that describes someone who thinks too highly of themselves. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to the language. We hope this explanation has been enlightening. Keep exploring the beautiful nuances of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!